welcome back to my channel.
Hey,
What's your name?
Aziz.
I have Aziz here today, my son, and he's wearing this funny hat because what are we going to do today?
And we're going to do a drink challenge.
Drink challenge!
Woohoo!
So we are going to be trying some drinks that we picked out from the Asian market.
And I know which one is.
Yeah, we picked them out, but my sister's going to be handing them to us, and we're going to be blindfolded, and we're going to try to guess which one it is by the flavor. So, I'm excited.
So here's the first drink. Oh, sorry.
Oh,
I'm like, man.
do we have our own cups?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Please,
What?
you got to be able to hold your cup. You got it?
You keep forgetting. Right here.
You got it? Okay. Oh, we going?
Okay.
What do you guys think?
Yeah, I was like, is it apple? Something apple?
Apple lemon
No.
juice.
Apple lemon juice?
Is it peach?
Yes.
Ew.
Oh,
Ew!
no, it's not peach.
It's not
sorry.
peach? Oh, it's the
Same letter.
pineapple?
No.
We didn't get a pineapple.
Um,
Same letter as P?
orange juice, Mountain Dew.
No. These are all from the
Yeah,
Asian
she
market.
does.
Hello.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
It's,
What is it?
crushed pear juice.
Ew.
Crunch pear.
Yeah, it does taste peary.
Ugh.
Okay.
Pears.
Next. You can stop that. Okay.
Here you go.
Bill,
Did you show the camera?
Oh.
it smells
Can y'all see
Oh
this?
my gosh, why do these all smell like liquor?
Liquor.
Oh no, it is.
That one's peach.
No.
What?
Peach.
Don't say what I said.
Nope.
Take another sip, please. This one apple?
No.
What the crap?
See, put your thing down.
Are you cheating?
I think he's just lifting it to drink.
Oh. Or is it clear?
No.
What color is it?
It's white.
I know it's white.
Mmm.
I like it.
You like it?
Mhm.
What is it?
It's mango.
Mango? That doesn't taste like mango to me.
Ew, yeah, it looks gross.
Hold on, let me see this one. Ew, it's like looks like milk.
I like it.
Are you cheating?
No, I'm
You're
just
hecka looking at yours.
I know. Well, he's like, can't see.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, here you go. Here you go.
Oh, this one's apple. Oh yeah, because it's fizzy.
No!
Guess
I didn't take that.
what it is. Guess. It's that little short apple one.
Apple.
Huh.
What kind of apple?
Sour
What?
apple. Sour apple.
Oh, it's sour apple?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. The green one.
Mm. Me no
Granny
likey.
Smith's. Really?
I knew it!
That stuff you drink.
I knew it.
Are
Yeah,
you
you're-
looking? I feel like you're looking.
No, I didn't.
Well, now his thing is up now.
I didn't.
I hear fizzing.
You me.
Jeez, you guys are demanding. Here.
Ooh. Smells weird.
That's it.
I like it.
What is it?
Blackberry.
Is it? No, yeah, it's the blueberry one.
Yes.
Yeah.
The blue raspberry.
Ding, ding, ding. Are you guys keeping score?
Nope.
I think you guys are both losing.
Aziz isn't even guessing. He's just drinking it all.
Hey.
Oh, what? You want to finish it?
Yeah.
What? There's
You
still
gotta
more.
hurry.
What number was that?
Oh, there's two more.
What the? This smells like nail polish.
I think it tastes like both smells
Yeah,
weird.
I don't know how this one tastes.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
No. Smells weird. I don't like it.
Try it. You have to try it.
No.
Did you try it?
No.
Take a little
You have to take
sip.
a sip.
You have to. You can't be a poor sport.
It smells gross. I can't taste it.
Oh my gosh. Come on. One little sip.
Just a little one.
It's not that bad. I think it smells worse than it tastes.
Open it, taste it. Oh, you guys want me to tell you what it is?
Yeah, what is that?
It is Yogu time.
Oh, I knew that one was
It's
going to
the
be
melon
nasty.
drink.
Yeah, that
No.
looks milky.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh.
It smells like nail polish
Milky
remover.
drink. Milky drink.
Ugh.
When he kills you, I
Here's the next drink. Hold on. Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
What it is you guys reach room. Here, hey.
I'm looking over there.
Grab it, fool. What it smells like Sprite. Did you give us a trick one? Is this my Sprite
my
Zero?
pee. Just kidding.
Yeah. Hell no. This is Sprite Zero.
No.
What is this?
Sprite!
Guess what it tastes like?
It does? It's Sangaria.
Sangaria! I like Sangaria!
Carbonated soft drink.
Let me see. Ooh, I'm gonna have to buy more of those. It tastes like my my Sprite Zero that I buy.
Oh, it does. You guys want to mix them all together and taste it?
Yeah!
You can. Okay, we've mixed all of them together.
Ew!
Let me see.
Okay.
It tastes like Bean Boozle. This tastes like Bean Boozle.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Tastes like a bunch of.
it has like pulp in it.
Ooh.
I think it tastes like Bean Boozle.
Yeah, maybe. All right, let's say bye to the video.
Bye.
Thanks for watching our challenge. What else do you want to say?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Huh? Oh, subscribe?
Yeah.
Okay, subscribe. Love you.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.